Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Japanese yen, USD JPY for 31st March 2021. So this analysis is for 31st March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 1st April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Therefore, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis if you're watching my videos for the first time, and do check out the forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's start the video then. And if you watch my previous videos, then hopefully you're in an excellent profit right now, and just be happy and just continue with the flow. Okay, so no need to worry, because remember, I told you in yesterday's video that market will take support because the resistance has become the support, and see, resistance has become the support here, and from there it bounced. Okay, so hopefully you're in a good profit right now and enjoy the profit. So if you're looking for a fresh opportunity, then you'll have to wait a little, because you can see that already market has gone up. And if you look at the stochastic RSI is an overbought zone. Therefore, we'll have to wait for the market to come down. We have to wait for the market to come down at least to this oversold zone. Okay, so first trading window will be if market comes down to the oversold zone. Okay, and the second will be if market comes down to this particular support level. Okay, so wait for the market and just watch the price, because see, one opportunity is gone, so we'll have to wait for the next best opportunity. Because I will not recommend you to enter here, because because if you enter here, then your stop loss will be somewhere around here. The gap between the current market price and the stop loss is far away. You should not be taking much risk. Therefore just wait for the market to cool off and come down to the oversold level. When stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, and from here when it will be going up again, just look at the position of the price. If you see that price is still trading comfortably above the 109.37 level, above this level, okay, then you can easily go for a buy order. Okay. And in case market comes down to this level, okay, then just observe the price and just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that yes, though market has come down, but buyers are not allowing the price to fall like this, you will see a candlestick pattern like shooting star. Okay, sorry, hammer, shooting star, not shooting star, hammer kind of a candlestick pattern. This pattern suggests that yes, buyers are present in the market and they are not allowing the market to go down. You will see price rejection from below, or a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, once you get the confirmation that yes, buyers are still present in the market and they are much in a better position, a stronger position in comparison to sellers, then you can go for a buy order just above this line, or wait for the market to come down to this oversold zone, and when it will be going up again, then you can go for a buy order. But right now this is not the ideal position to buy, because one opportunity is gone, so you'll have to wait for the next best opportunity. Okay. So next best opportunity will be when market will be going up from the oversold zone to the overbought zone. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. Okay, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow, and please do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.